and we go here where we have our resolution, and here is the first thing we can do. Okay, in that case we're not gonna touch anything because this is Instagram resolution. This is for Reels, which is the next thing we're gonna see in the deliver page, which is exporting for Instagram Reels. Could be Instagram, Facebook. I'm gonna explain you how to do it with all of them, but if you understand one, then you have to do the same thing, just changing numbers. Okay, that's all you have to do. Having said that, we go to this, which is about size, really, this episode. Okay, so first we need to do is go here, and we go here quality. We can just put automatic or restrict to, or limit data rate every 6 seconds. Here also we can just put high. Okay, auto, high is gonna do it higher, obviously, than coding profile, and coding is when it's codificating, okay, when it's looking at this footage and processing. So frame recording, all of this. Here we have 8,000. Now I'm gonna write, instead of 8,000, I'm gonna write 80,000. Okay, or no, let's say 90,000. 91, 2, 3. 90,000 kilobytes. And I'm gonna go here, and instead of this I'm gonna say 90,000. 90,000. Add to render queue. Okay, and now I'm gonna delete this. That must be from another time that I did. Clean your render queue always. And now I'm gonna just write here, instead of 90,000, there is this, I'm gonna just write here, let's say 6,000. Yeah. Or no, let's do it even more exaggerated, 4,000. So Command C, Command V, and add to render queue. Okay, I just changed the file name. So I'm gonna add to render queue, and now I want these two to be proceeds. So I'm just gonna select both, and I'm just gonna press render all. This one is the first one, 90,000. Okay, that was my restriction in terms of quality. Okay, so proceed 90,000 kilobytes per second instead of 4,000. That is the one that is processing now. And now we're just gonna look at these images, obviously, well, these clips. Reveal in Finder. Okay, so I have it in Finder here. Right click and reveal in Finder. And I see this is the one of 90,000, which is 19.1. And this one is 8 megabytes. So quite a big difference, no? 8 to 19.1. So that's how you actually, however, if we look at the quality, we'll have to look at it like this probably. Okay, this one is pretty ugly. However, this image maybe aren't as good, you know, like. And this one that is the 90,000. Yeah, this one is the bad one, you see? All these places here, whereas we see this one is less. It's a bit because I've done these things, obviously, but it's less. If we look here, it's clearly worse, this one. You see? It's like more pixel here. Forget about this, that is the thing. You're gonna see also this, how I've done this, okay, in the next video that we're gonna do for Instagram, okay? So it's this size. So perfect. We've learned that, okay? So that's everything you need to know. If you touch this, okay, and depending on where you want it, like for example in YouTube is 8,000, okay? That's the normal thing. In YouTube to 12,000, you can also do it 12, okay? But that's the normal thing. Okay, so when you want, for example, to send to WhatsApp or things like this, then is when you put this to 2000 or even less, depending on how much it is. The more it is, the less you're gonna have to restrict. If you want to send it like this, low. There is a low size. So that's what we learned. With audio, pretty much works the same. With this, okay, but I wouldn't touch a lot audio. Okay, video, yes, is something you can touch here. Okay, also remember resolution. Also changing the resolution sometimes gets you also, but be careful because you might also lose information of your image. Okay, are the things that you have to know about this page. Okay, then we're gonna see next video is gonna be about social media. Okay, about exporting something that you wanna post on social media, an Instagram story. So let's go to next video.